Welcome to JOAT Academy. Today, we are going to learn how to construct an ellipse using the concentric circles method. This is the question I will guide you through so that you can understand how to draw an ellipse using the concentric circles method. Let's begin. First, use your T-square to draw a horizontal line. On this line, mark AB with a length of 11 centimeters. Place your compass at point A. Open the compass to more than half the length of AB and draw arcs above and below the line. Without changing the compass radius, place the compass at point B and draw 2 more arcs above and below the line so that they intersect the first arcs, as shown. Using your ruler and pencil, draw a straight line through the points where the arcs intersect. On this line, mark CD with a length of 7 centimeters. Label the intersection of line AB and line CD as point O. This point is the midpoint, as shown. With O as the center, draw 2 concentric circles with diameters AB and CD. Divide both circles into 12 equal parts. If you would like to learn how to divide a circle into 12 equal parts, watch my video titled, Divide a Circle into 12 Equal Parts, No Protractor. Now mark points 1C, 2C, 3C up to 12C on the circumference of the circle with diameter AB. Also mark points 1, 2, 3 up to 12 on the circumference of the circle with diameter CD, as shown. Next, place your set square firmly on the T-square and project these points, 1C and 11C, 2C and 10C, for C and 8C, and 5C and 7C. Then, using only the T-square, project the following points so that they intersect the previously projected lines. Project points 8 and 10. Then points 7 and 11. Next, project points 5 and 1, and finally points 4 and 2. Label the points of intersection as P1, P2, P3 up to P12, as shown. These points P1 to P12 will form the outline of the ellipse. Using a French curve, draw a smooth curve passing through all these points to obtain the required ellipse. Finally, add the dimensions to your drawing as shown. Now, let me inform you that our advanced student report card generator, created in Excel, is now available. You can download it through the link in the description section. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe, like the video, share it, and help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, keep practicing. Goodbye.